So this is 10.1 absolute value and rational, just looking at identifying graphs as well as domain and range. So these are the 9 types of graphs we've looked at before. They're just here. So you can graph them or you can just look at the equation and then you should be able to tell. The only one that's not on here um, is the cube root. And the cube root looks like this, where f of x equals cube root of x. So that's what all 9 of them look like. The ones we're looking at today are the rational, and absolute value. So for absolute value, yeah, so absolute value, it looks like this. And then, so this one has a shift. So it goes 1 to the right and then 2 up. It's B day. B day. It's a B day. So give a different class. So it goes 1 to the right and 2 up. So this is the vertex of this one. And then it just does the same thing. So for these, domain is easy. The domain x equals all real numbers. It's gonna be the same with this one. X equals all real numbers. And then for the range, it's gonna be y is greater than or equal to. This one is 0, because that point here is 0. Over here, this y value is 2. So it's going to be y is greater than or equal to 2. So that's with the absolute value. Domain is all real numbers. The range, if it goes up, it's greater than or equal to. If it goes down, it's less than or equal to. Here's the rational one. So you guys that are here, this is one that you might not have seen before. So this is what the rational graph looks like, roughly. So you have a horizontal asymptote right here. And you have a vertical asymptote right here. So it does not exist here. Let me make sure I give you the right thing with these, the way it's set up. Yeah, here we go. So for the y value, you'll notice for the domain, it's all real numbers. But this yellow line here doesn't exist there, except for x is not equal to 0. So it's all real numbers except for 0. So that's the domain. The range, y equals all real numbers except for y is not equal to 0 again here. So that works. So for this one, the horizontal asymptote is going to be at 2. The vertical asymptote is going to be at +1. So the graph will look something like this. So x equals all real except for x is not equal to 1. And then y equals all real, except y is not equal to 2. Right. So that's how these work.